working. Come on. Come on. Finally. 96.4. Good morning. Today is, what is today? It's Thursday, that's for sure. It's my day off. And before I begin my daily routine, on the weekends, sometimes I get stuff that I need to work on my day off. In that way, it makes it easier and I don't have to be going from one side to another. I love to stay at home. So let me show you what I got for this weekend. First thing, I already took off, by the way, a new LED digital heater for my little nursery. The previous one that I got from the pet shop, honestly, doesn't work. It was a pain. You can graduate the heater and anything, and the temperature went from 0 to 84. That's way too much for the fish that I have. So I got this like 2 days later and my fish is still good. Thanks God, I arrived on time. So this was one of the things that I got on Amazon. Then, maybe you remember some of my videos. I got a hook doing embroidery. I hope I say it the right way. And I decided to buy another one. They are very cheap. It's not expensive to get these kits. It comes with the instructions, the colors, and the how you call this? I'm not sure. I will be doing this one. It's a fall color, so I think it would be nice to have this one. I will be working on this one. Let's see. So that was a nice project that I found. Then I got these are sorry, my throat is hurting so much smoke. Not smoking, smoke in the air. These are pillow covers. I got these for my porch that I am almost done decorating. I think this is the last part that I need and it will be done. I wanted to also wash the ones that I have on that really need to be washed. So part of my project on decorating. I'm trying to get curtains for my kitchen, something that goes with the colors of the kitchen. I have ones that are, they were bought like just for the moment because it was very hot days and everything, you know, very hot and too much light coming, so we wanted to have something to just cover the light. And they are green, not even close to the colors of the kitchen. So I found these ones. They are not expensive. They are from Amazon. I got only the down part. I hope the size is right. If not, well, I think they will go to the laundry. Let's go now to other stuff that I got that was more from Freddy's. For the bathroom, I got new shower curtain liners, the same brand that I used before, but the previous one were clear. I don't know, this time I wanted to go for the white ones, and I don't know why, to be honest. I think it blocks a little more the light, and I don't know why I need to block, but I got inspired to go for the white ones this time, so I have to change the liners and wash my shower curtains. And the last that I got yesterday, I went to do some grocery. This is my favorite soap, shower soap. This is the South of France body care. I'm so sorry, my throat is really bad. I got, I think, 3 flavors or smell. No, maybe I'm wrong. No, yes, jasmine. Oh, delicious. Orange blossom. I think this is my favorite. No, I don't know. Maybe jasmine. And this one is lemon verbena. I got 2 of the orange blossom. And dish soap. This is my favorite to get also. And I think these are the only smells that I really like from these. I don't like anything about the... I know a lot of people buy these and the colors of the season and everything, but some of the smell I cannot tolerate. It's like way too strong and I don't like the smell. Like the basil one, I don't like that one. I got the honeysuckle, bluebells, and lemon verbena. I think I always go for this kind of a smell, but it's me. Before I go to do my cleaning, I want to share this for Denise. I'm not an expert, but they asked me to share how I do my planners. So let me show you different kind of things that I do. I love to have these happy planners. They come in different options. And I usually, at the beginning of the week or the week before, let me remove this, that marks everything. I love to put what I need to do. The decoration is optional. I do because I'm very girly and I love to put colors. Sometimes I don't even put color. Sometimes I just go for what it is, if you see. And a lot of times it's not only what I'm cleaning. Sometimes I put notes of what I'm doing, if videos that I want to do. I divide my days in different tasks to do, but that doesn't mean that I will do on this day. Why? Because I work full-time, and this is only my visual way to see different tasks that I have to do. Like if I'm talking about decor, bedroom, porch, craft project, my desk area, aquarium. So this is myself. But if you don't want to go specific on day, it had like this other planner. I cover the days and I just put what area I was working. So I put all the information under that area. Then you have sometimes extra areas that you can just cover or not. What I did before, let me see if I have in this one. It was because I was feeling like I cut the papers, and like I have here, I cut the paper that was like this, and I cut this one and I stick here. I didn't cut. I cut this and I stick on this one. So you finish having like 1 week, another week, and another week, you know, so it's optional, whatever. But that is kind of what I do. I put the name of what I'm doing and what I need to do. If you don't have some kind of these planners, I shared before this is like my never-ending planner. Let me go over here. There. Then I do also like a journal. If you see, I put here what I need to work on the bathroom. You don't need to have a sticker. You can use stickers, you can just draw, or you can use stamps. Let me show you something. Stamps comes in different ways, like this one. If I will say get a stamp, get one that has all the tasks that you need, like bathroom cleaning, laundry, sweeping, mopping, just bathroom, pets, meal, garden, you know, so many options. And they come in different ways. You can have so many options. Then they come like workouts. I know I have too many. This is like holidays, food related, vacation. This is another cleaning. So it gives you an idea that you can find so many. This is like different tasks. This was about books. And it comes in different brands. Like this is the Sweet Stamp Shop. You don't need to buy all this, but pets, workouts, vacation, to do at home, vacation, and camping. Very nice options. Other options would be get stickers. Let me see. I think it's this one. You don't need to buy so many books like I do. I just love this. Look at this. This one comes with different options and I use a lot. Like cleaning, shower, bathroom, pets, to buy the car, bedroom, vacuum, maybe more laundry, garbage, cleaning again, recycling, the house, bathroom, more cleaning. So it's so many options. Other options, if you have a printer, just get some kind of printing stickers that you can get also for free, or you can design your own one, or the last option will be just design your own. Let me see here, 1 second. One more option, clear. Don't need to go so big on anything, just mark what you need to do. You don't need to even say what it is. Other option, just draw. Like this one, I'll cloth liner with some cloth, and I put what I was doing. I think I have more options. Let me see here. All that I did is put, like, if I have some laundry, then I put vacuum, my veggies. All depend on how much you have to do. It's not like you have to always fill the information with extra stuff. I know that I have so many. This is believe it or not, I began this in 2018. I think I made a video about that. And I continue using for years. Sometimes I stop. I write about a book that I read, about my day, things like that. I talk about, like this was when I was doing inventory in 2018, my game plan, just thinking loud before I go to work. More, I was doing gardening and beginning my plants. Then I think it was 2019 that I came back to do it, because I stopped for a little. Yeah, 2019 again. I put some stickers that happened that I didn't write, like I did this, just to remember things that just looking the pictures, I know what happened. And then I have more stuff. What I put here, sometimes something that I got, like a box, a paper, pictures. This is a yarn that I was using, that I was knitting, and what I bought. I don't know, I was doing my first sewing. It has that. some pictures of the hot balloons. I love hot balloons. I got more about a book. This was the time of the hospital. I think it was one of the first surgeries. Anyway, then it goes to I think February to 2020. Yeah, I have more here. Again, I came back to use, and this time I mark the months there. And another surgery there. I kind of mark the weather. I love to see what happened every year, and it's fun to see from one year to another. See? So those are options of planners and ways to plan. You can do whatever you want, whatever makes you is easy for you and make you happy. This is more an inspiration to remember things. And during the week, sometimes I remember that I need to do something extra, and I can organize where, if it's like in my kitchen or something. You don't need to complete all these, but also don't go crazy filling all the information, like all the dreams that you have to do. Just what you feel like you need to do this week. And if you don't finish something, I don't finish everything. The previous week I didn't finish a lot of things. If I don't finish something, I just move to the next week, because I know that I will not be able to do it this week. And it will happen the same for me here. If I don't finish something, I will move to the next week. I will just mark where is that I need to do something and do it. So, one of the first tasks that I have is porch, the pillows, and wash the seats and stuff like that. Let's go to work.